International Air Tattoo salute to BA 100. The 747 and the red arrows.
The rest throughout the day, so don't take them home to them and eat them and have a couple of them and then you can see them later. So enjoy your day today. I'm going to back to the zone and the tech zone and the planetarium is the way you might like to go to your own moon landing. Tickets are available free of charge for performances throughout the day and you can
of Red 1 in Short Diamond is Red 2, one of our new pilots for 2019. It's Flight Lieutenant Damo Green. Damo has previously flown the Hawk T1 on 100 Squadron. He then went to the Typhoon Force and joined the team in 2019. As the smoke comes on in Short Diamond, Red 1 calling the aircraft into the first of our historic formations. Reds 4 and 5 moving along, the aircraft sweeping back as we represent the Apollo. Of course, commemorating the 50th anniversary of the Apollo moon landings, in from the right-hand side, Red 1 about to pull up. The smoke will come on for the Apollo roll. Upside down at 2,500 feet, the white smoke on as we roll Apollo. At the back of the formation on the right is Red 4, another new pilot for 2000. As the nose lights come towards us, Enid at the top, they're about to do the first big split. It's time for the detonator. 8 on the left is red 7, being chased by red 9. Red 6 on the right is Flight Lieutenant Toby Keeley. Toby is a former Tornado GR4 pilot. He is instructed on the Hawk T2 at RIAT Valley, and he's in his third and final year on the team. Red 6 and 8 in from the right, red 7 and 9 from the left. They'll have a closing speed of over 700 miles an hour, passing 100 feet apart in the Jippo Park. Red 6 and 7 staying low, 4-point rolling down the line as red 8 and 9 roller coaster towards them. Now keep your eyes on red 6 and 7 pulling hard away from us. They're pulling 6G, the nose light's about to come straight towards us before they reverse and cross 100 feet apart in the Cyclone. And 7 about to roll with 8 in the Vortex. Up through the middle of the Vortex is red 8, Flight Lieutenant Chris Midland-Smith. Chris has formerly flown the Tornado GR4. Coloured smoke coming back on as red 1 gathers the formation together. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows! Is still causing some difficulties. You may not see it, but in some parts of the airfield, loose arms. Please keep a close hold of all your belongings and dispose of litter as sensibly and conveniently as you can. Thank you very much for that. And whilst the action today in advance, and if you do that, you get to take away a free Royal Air Force 100 special DVD featuring over 60 minutes of aviation action from all the events of RAF 100 last year. That of course includes the mass formation flypast over London featuring over 100 aircraft and the 18 Spitfire formation featured at Duxford as well. The entire 2-disc, 6-hour long package will cost £30 on DVD, $35 on Blu-ray.